Hi everyone, my name is Payal Dagani Bhatt and I am a Kaplan CIPD trainer. How can we build employee engagement that truly lasts? Now, the moment I say employee engagement, the initial ideas that come to people's mind is let's do free lunches, let's do a fun Friday, let's do a team building activity. These sorts of things are all right, but they are short lived. They don't develop employee engagement, which leads to an extraordinary effort coming in from employees. So, what do you do instead? Replace those free lunches with something that truly matters to your employees. For example, flexible working. Does your organization think about the employees and their needs? Are you offering flexible working where people can decide what time they join in work? Of course, have your core hours between 9 and 10 or 8 and 10, but let employees choose the start time. Don't be one of those organizations that is clocking in every single individual and timing to the T how many breaks they take, when they go in and out, or clock in or clock out. This does not guarantee any kind of engagement, and this definitely does not guarantee any kind of discretionary effort coming in from employees. Second way in which you can remain incredibly engaging for your employees is give them a voice. Now, when I say voice, a lot of organizations do staff surveys, employee surveys, and these happen once a month. These happen once a year. But do they really engage your employees? Yes, they've said something, but have they truly participated? So change that employee involvement through just staffs or meetings or one-way sort of a conversation into staff projects, the staff committees, or even forums where employees themselves are making some decisions for the organization and taking ownership. This leads to much more deeper level of engagement. And finally, think about diversity and inclusion. This doesn't mean you need to hire people from different nationalities or of different ages or just bringing a diverse workforce. It's about creating a culture where those people who come with a variety of differences feel like they can truly be a part of your organization, feel like they are respected, feel like their ideas are appreciated, feel like they have equal opportunities for progression and growth. This is what the CIPD associate level studies encourages you to think about. Alternative and creative ways in which you can do the traditional HR practices, but with a slightly more nuanced and a slightly more relevant way of working for the current world of HR.